Hello everyone. Welcome to this Primavera P6 complete tutorial series. In this series, we will learn Primavera P6 from beginner level to professional level. This course is designed in very simple English so everyone can understand easily. If you are a student, civil engineer, planning engineer, or project engineer, this course will help you understand project planning and scheduling. So let us start our first episode. What is Primavera P6? Primavera P6 is a project planning and scheduling software. It is used to plan, manage, and control projects. This software helps companies complete projects on time. It is one of the most popular project management tools in the world. Many large companies use Primavera P6 for construction and engineering projects. Who uses Primavera P6? Primavera P6 is used by many professionals. For example, planning engineers, project managers, site engineers, construction managers, and project control teams. This software is commonly used in building construction, road projects, bridge projects, metro projects, oil and gas projects, power plant projects, and industrial projects. Why Primavera P6 is important? Primavera P6 helps us organize project activities properly. It helps us plan project work, track progress, manage resources, control delays, and monitor project performance. With Primavera P6, we can understand which activity is important, which activity is delayed, and how much work is completed. Simple example explanation. Let us understand with a simple example. Imagine we are constructing a residential building. Before starting the project, we must create a proper plan. We need to know when excavation will start, when concrete work will begin, when brickwork will start, and when finishing work will complete. Primavera P6 helps us create this complete project schedule step by step. Benefits of learning Primavera P6. Learning Primavera P6 can improve your career opportunities. Many companies look for professionals who know project planning software. Primavera P6 skills are useful in India and also in Gulf countries. If you learn this software properly, you can work in construction companies, infrastructure companies, EPC companies, and project management companies. Course structure. In this tutorial series, we will learn many important topics step by step. We will learn how to create projects, how to create WBS, how to add activities, how to create relationships, how to schedule projects, how to create baselines, how to update progress, and how to generate reports. Every topic will be explained in a very simple way. Important advice for beginners. If you are completely new to Primavera P6, do not worry. You do not need advanced knowledge to start learning. Just follow the videos step by step. Practice every lesson inside the software. With regular practice, you will slowly become confident in project planning and scheduling. Ending of Episode 1. Thank you for watching Episode 1 of this Primavera P6 tutorial series. In the next episode, we will learn how to install Primavera P6 and understand the software interface. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Primavera P6 tutorials. See you in the next video.
Daily Dose.